numbers 7 through 13. Okay? So again, it should be really simple. Like Sean just said, that this is exactly what we did last year. Yes, it's exactly what we did last year. So you should know how to do this. Okay? So do it. Tell me. If this is exactly what we did last year, what are we doing here?
I swear. What I asked you, never mind. I don't know how to do something.
Okay, good. So, then we should know some things, maybe cover a couple of things. One of the things is, if it's happening to the function, right, then that's a vertical, right? That's a vertical change. If it's happening to just the x, then that's a horizontal change. Okay? Remember, x's do the opposite. Okay? So, I think I'm just wasting my time, so I'll just continue over here. So, since the x's do the opposite, and the function does exactly what we tell it to do, what's the function doing here? Up 4. Okay. So, the function is up 4. What about this one? Compression, because this is less than 1.
It's compression by quarter.
So it's compression. Right? So the function is being compressed, right? The function is being compressed by a factor of 1/4. Right? Okay? So, in this one, what's it doing? +2. No. Yeah, it is +2.
Okay, it's
In what direction?
up.
It's going to be left 2.
What's the opposite?
What did it do?
Wait, isn't it 2?
You're wrong. It's right.
No, negative.
If it's doing the opposite, if it's opposite, it's already negative, so then it goes right.
No,
Because
that's 2 is
that's
positive. No, it's negative x plus 2, which is just x minus 2. So, yes. No, right.
Yes.
it's
This-
right. See, it's
This
right.
should be rewritten as -1 times x minus 2. Okay? Because what this really is negative x plus 2. But we need to pull that negative out to say, okay, so what we're doing is we're multiplying, or, in other words, we have a stretch, a horizontal stretch, right? Which actually means by a negative, what that means is it flips, right? Horizontally flips. So it's actually going to flip across the y-axis. Since it horizontally flips, it has a y-axis reflection.
See?
What?
And after the reflection, then we have this, the x value is now x minus 2. We think of x's do the opposite, right?
Yeah.
So x's go right or left. So the opposite of negative is positive. So
right.
Positive direction means it's right. So it's going to be a shift. It's what we call a horizontal shift right 2. Okay? So what's this one going to do?
Total shift right to.
Okay, I can't tell. Does it say -0.25?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Sure.
So in other words, negative 1/4, right? So we have a negative again, which means it's a horizontal
Reflection? Yeah.
reflection.
I said reflection, I was just making sure.
I know.
You said two answers don't count.
You didn't say anything, shut up.
I never said it.
Horizontal reflection, right?
Yeah.
And horizontal
Stretch.
that's
Compression.
compression.
I'm just saying stuff.
God.
Hey, I got one right, shut
Okay,
up.
then is it compression because like it's under 1?
Yep.
Yeah, 'cause
Okay,
it
sure.
sort of shows
So
the
by
same.
how much?
Oh, a quarter?
Quarter.
Well, negative.
Not negative, because the compression's positive. It's always absolute value. Compression is absolute value. The negativeness tells us whether it's flipping, whether it's reflecting. What about this for? What's this telling us?
Vertical
A vertical what?
stretch.
I don't know what the hell it is sometimes.
By how much?
Four.
Okay.
You
So we have a vertical stretch, we have a horizontal compression, and we have a horizontal reflection across the y-axis, right?
Yeah.